This is the Meerkat in again for D7 with a broad market review for the 5th day of October 2016. Well, is the spring sprung? Nope. The spring is getting coiled tighter and tighter. Let's take a look at today's numbers. We've got the S&P there up 0.4. We got the Dow Jones Industrials up 0.6. We got the Qs up 0.3. Small caps up 0.6. So a nice bump on the day. But look at these two. Look at Bank up 1.44%, touching all-time high closes earlier during the day. We'll take a look at that chart, and we may take a look here at the VIX down 4%, down to 13.06, down in that complacent range, the bottom of the complacent range. Now, gold and silver, after the huge drops yesterday, just a little bit of a drop today. And oil, the other big story, up 2.3%. It was knocking on the door of $50 a barrel this afternoon. It closed just under that, so it is getting to be that huge line of support and resistance, a $50 psychological barrier on the WTI oil. Let's keep an eye on that one because it's huge psychological barrier. U.S. dollar, I gained just a little bit, and no trend trade today for the Grok traders. All right, let's take a look here at the S&P 500 daily chart, and not much to change from yesterday. We're just now back right in here. We're right inside here. This symmetrical triangle, that coiled spring is getting tighter and tighter and tighter. We cracked the ice yesterday, but we're right back in it again. How about on the Dow? Now, the Dow actually closed above the upper trend line of its symmetrical triangle, but again, it was less bearish than the other markets. For example, the Qs here, it was in a rising wedge, which is a bearish formation. Yesterday closed below it. Now it's closed right at it. And then we've got the small cap Russell here, a symmetrical triangle, again, right here to the apex. So, folks, the spring is getting tighter and tighter. We're going to be making a big move one way or the other. Now let's take a look here at that bank. I'm telling you, it actually tagged the high of day from back in, I think it was September of 2015, when we had the all-time highs here on Bank. And again, what is Bank? It is the index of over 720 banks, and not just the big boys and girls, but all the regional banks as well. So we cannot go anywhere without them, and we are right here at the all-time highs. And then look at the VIX here. This is on the daily chart of the VIX. And this is the very low complacent area. And we can stay down here a long time. And then, of course, when the market makes it a little drop, pops right up, and right back down here in the complacent range now. Now, conspiracy theory, conspiracy theory. Why isn't the market just taking off, or why is it not just correcting? I'll tell you in one word: election. Yes, the powers to be are keeping it in a very, very, very tight range here. Many people make the mistake to think that the condition of the market is the condition of the economy. So they want to keep the market as high as possible for people's perceptions. I'm sorry, that's my conspiracy theory. And that's why whenever we have even a 1% drop, they come in and they buy it back up into the range. So what do we do for now? Well, if you're long, you just keep riding it and keep your stops in place. And when the market does turn south, which probably won't be until after the election, probably get stopped out of your longs, but I'm not going to be going short the market until we have a confirmed downtrend. My opinion there, that we have to trade what we see. This is the Meerkat. Trade well.